Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust App Full Guide. Open the app, sign in, and go straight to Wallet to create or import a wallet now. Choose Create New Wallet or Import Wallet with your seed phrase, then set a strong password and enable biometrics for easy daily access. Back up your seed phrase offline in 2 secure places and avoid storing it in photos or cloud backups. Getting started is simple and secure. First, open Trust App and tap Create New Wallet to generate a fresh wallet address. Write down the seed phrase on paper and store it offline in 2 secure locations. Next, set a strong password and enable biometrics for quick access. Also, review app permissions and enable phishing detection features to reduce risk. Keep the app updated to receive security patches. To receive funds, tap Receive, copy the wallet address or show the QR code to the sender and verify the network. For sending, tap Send, paste the recipient address, enter an amount, and choose the correct token and network. Always double-check the destination address and gas fees before confirming. Use low-value test transfers for new addresses and enable transaction previews to avoid costly mistakes. If unsure, consult
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.